CME Group in beautiful Chicago, Illinois, the world's strongest city. I'm Mark Sebastian, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com with your MrTopStep update. Well, after a week of major up moves, here we have ourselves a nice breather. Something interesting has been happening the last 3 months. While the VIX has remained relatively low, there has been risk, but the risk has been rallies, not sell-offs. Every major move that we've seen that's greater than 1.5% in the SPX has been to the upside since June expiration. Now we've just come off of 2 major moves in the last week. I think we're going to sit here for a little bit. All right. I think with QE3 or QE perpetual, I've heard QEP, the market's going to have a lot of time selling off, although options still have a lot of juice priced into them. So how do we play that? I'd be looking to sell a butterfly or a put spread. I think a great trade would be the September or October 1450, 1470, 1490 butterfly. It's a relatively tight defined risk trade. It's short premium. So what it's counting on is that price movement stops and that we creep slightly higher over the next couple of weeks. I think that play could really pan out really well. Another potential play would be to buy puts in the VIX. I think the VIX is going to be easing over the next couple of weeks. I think October puts in VIX make a lot of sense. The future in October is trading around 18 bucks and VIX is below 15. You could take advantage of that convergence between cash and future. Both of those plays look good. Looking at some of the other matrices, if there is an index that's going to move, it's going to be NASDAQ, where Google and Apple are both absolutely exploding higher. I would be looking to go long NASDAQ, possibly calls or call spreads relative to the other indexes. Russell, which is small companies, could see the most trouble out of all these because QE typically helps large caps and tech a lot more than it does some of the small companies. So, from the floor of the CME Group, I am Mark Sebastian with your MrTopStep update.